Welcome to Da Nang. Yesterday I filmed in the morning, and in the evening it rained like crazy. But it's the same day again. Marcus, show me your phone. What day is today?
It is Tuesday.
19th of August, 10 o'clock. Look at this beautiful weather. I cannot guarantee it will stay like that, but it is nice.
It is
and
amazing.
actually it was a nice refreshing morning. It's a little bit cooler now, and the air was better after the rain. So the rain is not always something bad, and it is weird that it is raining in the summer, in the high summer time. It's very unusual. But we're gonna take a nice little stroll north today and check out what's going on at the Khe Beach, okay? I'm gonna walk over here and going all the way north, check out all news over there. I haven't been there for a long time because...
Look at these dragonflies.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
a lot of dragonflies here.
Oh, I hope that does not mean it's gonna rain more. Oh God. But it is nice again. It rained. The ocean looks okay. It's a little bit wavy still, but I think it's okay. Lots of surfers are out again. That's pretty nice.
Wavy. I think, isn't it that the surfer season is starting soon?
Oh, I see one guy on the board for a long time riding the wave. Wow. Guys, this is the day. I think yesterday was even more. The waves were higher. But I can actually see some waves that are higher here. That's good for all surfers. You have to be a little bit more cautious in the water now. Bye-bye, Marcus.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Have a good day. Yeah, you have to be a little bit more cautious, so you never know how the ocean reacts. If you get pulled out or whatever. But at the moment, it's pretty good. Usually the lifeguards also have everything set up, so you can only go to specific areas of the ocean here when it is that wavy. When the waves are out, they usually limit the access, so it is a little bit annoying if you want to swim properly. That's why also many people say, oh, you cannot swim in Da Nang. It is possible, but sometimes it's a little bit tricky. Especially if you cannot swim far out. But to be honest, I don't know what's out there far out, so I don't know if I want to even swim so far. I would rather just go and swim to the right or left, something like this. What's going on? Someone is screaming her name. Now I'm filming. What's going on? You want to be in the video?
I want to donate 500 for your lunch.
Oh, look at this. I'm getting money here. I love it. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
But what is that?
We've enjoyed every video.
Oh.
My husband and I, and we have taken up all your recommendations. Without you, we wouldn't have known how
All right,
to
okay.
all those.
You know what? We can do it like this and you can screenshot it. Okay.
Thank you, Sammy.
All right. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Have a good day. I thought I hear my name, but I couldn't. No, I love this kind of tip, huh? Thank you so much. We saw them already before. But yeah. I've seen many Australians today here on the beach already. It's crazy. Look at this, how beautiful this ocean looks today. The dragonflies, the surfers, phenomenal. It's the perfect time to go and have a beer. But I will not have one, because I only drink beer during the live streams. So whenever I'm gonna be drunk, it will always be online. Yeah, let me know in the comments. Do you want to have another live stream in the English channel? We're doing a lot of live streams for the German channel, but maybe if there's interest, we can do another live stream for the English one, for this channel, or maybe even for Social Semi. Let me know in the comments. And what would you want to see in live? We're very flexible, but yeah, we always do great shows, I think. Oh, look at this. Whoa. God. Oh my God, there's a drone right next to it. So they're flying a drone right next to the parasailing. And what is going on here? I think this is team building events again. Oh wow, look at this. Some Vietnamese girl photo shoot. Having a big photo shoot in the sun, this is very unusual. Marcus also told me, he's an old journalist, you know, and he told me there are many, many beautiful women all in town. It's crazy. So yeah, I don't know what is going on in this week now, but yeah, lots of beautiful women all around the world. Also tourists are in town at the moment. Maybe I will find them also on the camera for you, but I don't see at the moment anyone. It's usually in the afternoon when the sun goes down, or in the morning. I also met a few Kiwis. Lots of young guys are here too now. It's very interesting. It's very mixed here in the summer. And I think there are more Australians and Kiwis now here because it's winter over there than when it's winter here. Then I see more Canadians as well. Because Canada has a nasty, nasty, nasty winter. It's brutal over there. I think lots of countries have nasty winters, but Canada, my God. I have a little glimpse because I've been to Chicago in the wintertime. I know what's cold, but the Canadians are even worse, I think. So I can understand, even when it's here 20 degrees Celsius and it's raining, it's still better than minus 25 and thunderstorm, blizzards or whatever. So I think if you want to snowbird around, I think it's still better to have both countries together. 3 months, or let's say you do the free 60 days in Thailand for the bad season here, like in November or December, or like I would say maybe mid-November until mid-January. And then you go in here for another 3 months. And then you have the perfect snowbird season. You have 2 months and 3 months here. I think that's a perfect mix. It will, however, be high season during mid-December to mid-January. It's the super high season in Thailand. For me personally, even though I absolutely love Thailand, it's a season I don't want to be in there, and avoiding at all costs. Because it's so packed, so full, everything, the traffic, everything is too much for me, in my personal opinion. I rather go to Thailand in the low season anyways, but yeah. If you're coming in the wintertime, be aware, December 15 to January 15, it's terrible in Thailand. It's too much tourists, too much. After that and before that, it's okay. It's still high season, but not as bad. How you doing, mate? But the problem is, I'm not sure where to go in that season, right? So I think all the good countries with the weather are also super high season, right? Da Nang, low season. Oh, you know what? I have an option for you. Go to Phu Quoc, to the island in the south of Vietnam. I'm not sure if if it's more touristy than before, because Vietnamese don't really do anything on December 24, 5 and 6. They do, however, lots of restaurants here have Christmas packages, and even if you go to a local beer place, you know, those places where you get the 50 cents beer and the good food and everything, and where everyone is chanting non-stop 1, 2, 3 drink and things like that. Even there, they're gonna be a Budweiser Santa Claus and giving you some gifts. So they have lots of things around Christmas, but generally there is not a high season here because Vietnamese obviously not really celebrating this as much as the West. And New Year's is also not that big here. New Year's is pretty weak because they have their own New Year, you know. The Tet holidays, those are the real New Years here. And this is also, the last few years, they did not have any fireworks during the normal New Year, what we have as a New Year, or Western New Year, however you want to call it. But during Tet holidays, they have lots of fireworks, and the fireworks obviously in July, they have a huge fireworks festival right here in Da Nang. So yeah, you will get your fireworks, but not on New Year. Maybe they will change it this year, I'm not sure. Maybe because there are more foreigners, more expats here, maybe they do something, but I don't think so. So generally, Vietnam, during that season, I would definitely recommend. If you want to have a nice beach vacation, go to Phu Quoc, do not come here. You will not have a nice beach vacation. During December 15, January 15, the chances of you having a nice beach vacation is almost none, okay? The beach, the ocean is very rough. It is great for surfers though. They usually in January, they have surfing competitions here. If that's your thing, come here in January, yes. But if not, either way, go to Nha Trang, which is a little bit better. But what's even better than Nha Trang would be Phu Quoc. Because there is very nice, warm, good weather. I definitely have to go there this year. I've been there last time, 2018. I enjoyed it, but I think since then, lots of things have changed. Might be even better now. But when I was there, it was a little bit boring, to be honest. I've been only to the Novotel resort, all-inclusive resort. And we went out once and I didn't like it. I did not see anything what I saw in Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi or here. It looked very like a small little island. It was a big island, but lack of infrastructure. It's just a resort island. Now, what they did now, they're changing everything, right? They're making a big hub. They want to have like a Phuket or something like that. You want to have a big, nice island in Vietnam and change everything. Also, it's maybe interesting for you that Phu Quoc has their own visa regulations. So it is somehow a different visa what you get there. So more countries can just enter without a visa, but do your own research. Oh my God. My God, does that smell bad? This is terrible. That smells really like sewage here. My God, they have to do something with that. Ooh. This is absolutely nasty. Look at this. I'm not sure what the hell they are doing here. Now, obviously, yesterday it was raining. So, but at least they are working on something here. What is it called again? Excavator? In German, bagger. Yeah. This smells terrible. I'm just very, very sorry for this beach club. This has to be affecting the beach club. Because if you're sitting there, it's gonna smell so bad. And it's so dirty. That's very nasty. Ooh. Yeah, I hope they're gonna fix this. Maybe have a proper, I don't know what they have to do, but they have to do something with that. Whew. This is such a nice beach club. Looks very nice, but I'm very scared if the wind coming from here, it's gonna be very smelly. Casa Bay. It looks very nice here. I would chill here. And it doesn't smell bad here at the moment. No. It doesn't smell bad, guys. So I hope the wind stays like that. But those are very underrated places here. You can get a less than $2 coconuts here and have the same nice view as all the fancy beach clubs here. There's also I think they also have cheap beer. They also have beds here. Someone asked me about those. There are lots of hotels here in the parallel street, okay? Lots of hotels are there, and this is a nice place. All those hotels, maybe I can link it down below. I reviewed them with Kenny, and this is the beach to that, okay? I think one is Salamania or Salamanda or something like that. Then K House, and behind the terrain there's the Sala Danang, which is definitely a recommendation. And what is this? Nesta Celia Danang Hotel. Ooh la la. Now I know what this building is. It doesn't look like a hotel, but now it's a hotel. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm coming soon for you. It's called Nesta Celia. So now we know. I thought this is like a apartment complex, but maybe they have long-term rental options, which is pretty nice. But you still have to walk always here. I'm wondering if this is a pool over there. It looks like a pool. All right, I think this is a pool. Hopefully. Somewhere has to be a pool. Or it is all the way up. But those are proper, nice balconies there. I don't see anything done yet, but this is the name, Nesta Celia. I'm wondering if this is the Nesta Hotel brand. We will find out, guys. We will find out. Look at how calm and quiet it is over here, guys. Beautiful, right? It's so calm. And this beautiful palm trees giving shade. Can't believe how bad the weather was yesterday, and now it's again blue sky. Guys, my videos, when you see it's uploaded, that's also when it's recorded usually. Sometimes I'm working ahead, but everything is around the 3 to 4 day mark. Today I will make 2 more videos because I will have to go to Kuala Lumpur and I'm not gonna film there because it's not nice reasons I have to go there, but other than that, it's usually around the same week at least, minimum. But usually I film and then I upload, guys. Like today, I film in the morning. This will be uploaded today. I'm definitely gonna do more in the evening, but obviously that's not the posting time. Whenever you see dark, it will be the next day, usually. And today I will do 3 videos, I think. And you know what? We have the 20-minute mark. We will continue here tomorrow.